Hi, let us understand how to get cost codes for a job from MRI to Procore. This integration here, get cost codes for a job, helps us bring all the cost codes related to one particular job in MRI into Procore. I have an example job here in MRI. So this job 181010 is a sample job that has faces and cost codes. It has three different cost codes on this job. So let's save this. When you go to Procore and look for the same job 181010, you see how there are no cost codes at all. In the admin tab, when you click on cost codes, you don't see any project cost codes on this particular job. So now let's see how the demo integration populates the cost codes from MRI into Procore. So all you have to do is just grab this job code from MRI, go to the integration page, and paste the job code here and run the integration. So this will populate all the cost codes that are related from MRI to Procore. I'm going to pull these two screens side by side so that you can easily see. And now it has processed four cost codes. Go to MRI in Procore and just refresh. You'll be able to see a division called Dev. And under that, you have these three cost codes that got populated from MRI to Procore. So let's try to match. It's in MRI, it is 900104 cost code, and that's the same first cost code here in Procore. The second cost code is 900321. That's the second cost code in here. And similarly, there's another cost code that's 903212, and that's the third cost code here in Procore. So now you know how to bring in cost codes for a project from MRI into Procore using the integration software. Thank you.